even on that day in the Zoom class we have learned till the chapter our country. So we will start today with the our home earth. We will learn first answer in one word. We live on the planet earth. Which is our planet? Earth. Earth moves around the sun. Earth moves around the sun. आपको ऐसा भी पूछा जा सकता है, moves around the sun. Who moves around the sun? Earth, है ना. Earth gets n from the sun. अब earth gets के बाद fill up है और n के बाद भी fill up है. तो earth get light and heat from the sun. The dash is water and the rest is land. Dash क्या है? Blue, है ना. अर्थ का एक हिस्सा क्या है? ब्लू एंड एक हिस्सा क्या है? लैंड. वो वन थर्ड क्या है हमारा? वन फोर्थ ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस इज लैंड. पूरी पृथ्वी पर 1/4 पार्ट है जो क्या है? लैंड है. और ठीक है, these different nature features of the earth surface are called landforms. What they are called? Landforms. Most rivers flow down from the mountains. कहाँ से आती है नदियाँ? माउंटेन्स से. An area of high level land is called a plateau. An area of high level land is called a plateau. Plains are large area of flat lands. The soil of the plains is rich for growing crops. किसके लिए plain soil? Plains की soil growing crops के लिए. Are hot, dry and get very less rainfall. क्या है? जो hot है, dry है and जहाँ बहुत कम बारिश होती है. Those are deserts. A piece of land surrounded by dash on all sides is called an island. Seas are large water bodies. ऐसा भी लिखा सकता है are large water bodies. तो आपको क्या लिखना है? seas. ये सारे लिखा सकता है सीज आर लार्ज. आपको आगे लिखना है वाटर बॉडीज. उसके लिए आपको सारी स्पेलिंग्स लर्न होनी चाहिए. अर्थ इज आर होम. नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. व्हाट आर द लैंडफॉर्म्स? राइट एनी टू ऑफ देम. द अर्थ सरफेस इज नॉट सेम एवरीवेयर. एट some places the land is flat and at other places it is high. These different natural features of Earth's surface are called landforms. Some of them are hills, plains and deserts. Okay. What are plains? Plains are large area of flat lands and mostly suitable for living and farming. Mostly suitable for living and farming. What are plateaus? An area of high level land is called a plateau. An area of high level land is called plateau. What are valleys? Valleys are lowland that lie between mountains or hills. They are U-shaped or V-shaped. V-shaped. Okay. Valleys that have streams or rivers flowing through them are called river valleys. Write any two ways to save earth. You can save the earth by doing some things such as we should not cut trees, we should not kill animals, we should not waste water. Now eating healthy. कितने टाइप्स के फूड बताए थे हमने? याद है? यह भी नहीं याद था आप लोगों को. Which is our basic need? Our basic need is food. Food keeps us healthy and fit to fight diseases. Wheat, potato, rice are energy giving food. आपको ऐसा भी लिखा जा सकता है. Write 2 examples of energy giving food. Fruits and green leafy vegetables are protective food. ऐसे सकते हैं कि write 2 types of protective food. तो आपको क्या लिखना है? Fruits and green vegetables. Some vegetables are eaten raw as salad. Wheat, maize are cereals. अब ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं cereals include, फिर लिखना wheat and maize. Seeds of some plants used for eating are pulses. Pulses are some plants are used for eating. A person who does not eat meat is called a vegetarian. A person who eats meat is called a non-vegetarian. Okay. A balanced diet contains different kinds of food. A balanced diet contains different kinds of food. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet contains different kinds of food, also includes lots of water in your daily diet. पानी बहुत पीना है बैलेंस डाइट के साथ साथ. गिव एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. आया ना, मैंने बोला अभी जस्ट. बॉडी बिल्डिंग इंक्लूड्स पल्सेस, eggs, milks, fish, dal and nuts. What is energy giving food? The food who gives us energy to do work. For example, what? Wheat, potato, rice, maize, etc. फिर why is food important to us? Food is important for us because it gives us energy to do work. It helps us to grow. It keeps us healthy and fit to fight diseases. Please learn करो बेटा. इस बार सिंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर नहीं आएगा, सब घुमा फिरा के पूछेंगे, इसलिए आपको पूरा चैप्टर याद होना चाहिए. ओके. नाउ प्लांट्स अराउंड अस. प्लांट्स आर लिविंग थिंग्स. Shrubs have many branches. अभी आपको मैचिंग में भी आ सकता है. बुक एक्सरसाइज तो आपको करनी है, मैं बुक एक्सरसाइज रिपीट नहीं करवा रही. Herbs are small plants. Climber needs support. A plant has many parts. Leaves make food for the plant using sunlight. Some flowers grow into fruits. Plants keep the air clean and fresh. What are herbs? Herbs are small plants with soft green stems. Example, mint and tulsi. What are shrubs? Shrubs are smaller than trees with many branches. Branches grow close to the ground. For example, rose, jasmine and cotton. आप ऐसा भी दे सकते हैं, श्रब के एग्जाम्पल्स लिखिए, हॉब्स के एग्जाम्पल लिखिए. राइट 2 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ट्रीज. राइट एनी 2 यूजेस ऑफ प्लांट. प्लांट्स आर वेरी यूजफुल टू अस. वी गेट मैनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. प्लांट्स कीप द एयर क्लीन एंड फ्रेश. प्लांट्स गिव अस फूड. वी गेट फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स एंड ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम प्लांट, है ना. वॉट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द रूट? Roots help to keep the plant fixed in the soil. They also take food and water from the soil for the plant. Which part of a plant helps to take food from leaves to all the other parts? Stem is the strongest and thickest part of a plant. It also helps to take food from leaves to all the other parts. Okay. The world of animals. The animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Some animals that live on farms or at our home are called domestic animals. Lion and tiger are example of flesh eaters. आपको ऐसा पूछ सकते हैं, राइट टू एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्लैश ईटर्स. मैचिंग भी दे सकते हैं. ओके. The animals that eat only plants, leaves and grass are called plant eaters. Who lay eggs? Hen and ducks. Cows, goats and buffaloes give us milk. Dogs have a very good sense of smell. Honey is good for health. We make leather from the silk skin of dead animals. और स्कैवेंजर्स क्या होते हैं? जो हु ईट्स डेड एनिमल्स. आंसर द फॉलोइंग. व्हाट आर द डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स? द एनिमल्स दैट लिव ऑन फार्म्स और एट आवर होम्स आर कॉल्ड डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. व्हाट आर वाइल्ड एनिमल्स? द एनिमल्स दैट लिव इन फॉरेस्ट आर कॉल्ड वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. नेम 2 flesh eating and 2 plant eating animals. Lion and tiger are flesh eaters. Cow and elephants are plant eaters. Give some uses of leather. Use of leather are in making shoes, purses, belts and bags. How are hens and ducks useful to us? Hen and ducks lay eggs and are good for, and eggs are good for our health, है ना. Now sun and moon. I think it's last chapter, na? Who gives us heat and light? Sun. Who is the nearest neighbor of the earth? The moon. Who has rocks and mountains? Obviously, the moon. Is there life on moon? No. Which is the closest star to the earth? The sun. Who was the first woman of India origin to go into space? Kalpana Chawla was the first woman of Indian origin, मतलब मूल भारत की, to go into space in 1997. What is the sun? The sun is very big. It is a huge ball of hot and burning gases. Who was Neil Armstrong? Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon in 1969. What are stars? Stars are huge ball of fires which have light of their own. Stars are huge ball of fire which have light of their own. The moon has no light of its own, still it shines. How? The moon has no light of its own. It shines when sunlight falls on it. When sunlight falls on it. तो आपको यह सब याद होने चाहिए. बुक एक्सरसाइज भी आपको लर्न करनी है. ठीक है, आपको कुछ भी आ सकता है, नेम आ सकता है, गेस हु एम आई आ सकता है, कुछ भी. तो आपके लिए उसके लिए यू हैव टू रीड द चैप्टर थरोली. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने चैप्टर ही रीड नहीं किया है तो एंड टाइम पे आपको नहीं आ रहा है. तो प्लीज़ पढ़ाई करिए. ओके, बाय.